Alright guys, as you can see here, the truck is masked up. I'm gonna do a painting job here. I'm gonna first paint the roof and including the inside of the hood here. As you can see here, all the trims are set up here. This is the door trim here, the wipers, the wiper arm. I'm gonna paint it black, including this door handles, all the handles there, tailgate, this thing, tailgate latch. So it's gonna be a nice truck after. It's gonna be look stunning after with this glossy black trim. So here, also paint a mirror with the black. I set up it here. I wiped it already. Here's the tailgate, and I'm gonna paint this with textured first, and I'm gonna coat it with the shiny black after. And this one here, the bumper, I already textured that thing. Then I'm gonna put a top coat in it so that it will not get rust. And here is the grill. This is the grill, what do you call this? Molding the grill. I'm gonna paint this black too. So here, everything here is the black, glossy black. So I'm gonna clear coat that after too. Here it's gonna same color. This is gray color, the original color, storm green. I'm gonna paint the whole roof here. I mask really good. So ready to spray. All right, it's gonna be a nice looking truck. So that's what I'm gonna do. Paint the roof first, all the trims same time, so that after this, when I get done, I'm gonna paint the whole body only. I think I'm gonna do the box, the truck box here. I'm gonna put a bed liner in this box here. After finished painting the roof, everything. It's gonna be nice. There's lots of work to be done, but this is the final run of this restoration of the Silverado. All right, guys, so stay tuned because I'm gonna spray this right away. I'm gonna do the roof, storm grille first, and then I'm gonna spray the black, and after that, we're gonna clear everything. All right, just gonna spray this right away. I'll apply a primer sealer in this thing so that it will not show some rust. It doesn't really matter. I just kind of very fussy in this thing, and I'm gonna spray this with textured first because this thing we're gonna dry 1 hour. You can top coat with the base black. All right on. So I'm gonna do that first. Spray the textured thing, so that while waiting, it's gonna be right after an hour. We can spray with the base coat black. And here, as you can see, I put the emblem here. This is different colors, so there are 3 colors I'm doing today. This emblem is gonna be a different color, white, something white, and it's gonna be look stunning after. All right, let's go. It's gonna spray this right away. I'm using the spray can for this thing because this is a small spot for the tailgate only, so that I don't need to get overspray too much. This one's gonna be good. So guys, you don't need to worry about this white thing because we're gonna top cut to do the base black after, so it's gonna be black. All right. Alright guys, the base coat is done. All the base coat here is done. So it's ready to clear coat everything. As you can see here, all the colors are in. Black, white emblem are here to the roof. Now it's ready to clear coat. So let's go. It's ready to clear coat. Alright guys, right here is the final paint job of the bumper, the roof, hood, the inside of the hood. Here's the trim. Looks like very nice, glossy. Look at, show you that bumper here. I took the masking already, and there's some masking out here. I'm gonna unmask this thing off here. I'm gonna unmask everything because I need to paint the whole body now. Oh, later I'm gonna need to remask everything again and prepare it to a full body paint job. So everything is nice there. The roof is dry. So it just need to lots of masking. Look at this. This is gonna be garbage. So you wonder why this is so expensive job, because so many materials spent on this truck already. See that? It's a clean. So many hours doing this. Look at this. So I don't want to scratch them all. So still hang up there. Look at this. It's very glossy, shiny black. It's gonna be stunning looking trucks after. Look at this. Even the bumper's textured. It's pretty textured, shiny, glossy. All right, take this mask thing, and we're gonna turn it around. I'm gonna paint the front of the hood. See how many materials consumed already in this restoration job. So this is how you restore the vehicle. Take lots of time, money, and effort to do this job. See? So many materials. Masking. So let's get a roll of masking paper in this and the folding already. Lots of setup. You can see that thing, there's a lot of setup on this thing. Sand everything. Woo! Now, and masking and remasking again. So that's how it takes this restoring this truck. But at the end, I'm gonna be happy in this truck because it's gonna be fully painted. It's gonna be a nice looking truck. It's gonna be a shoot truck after. So keep watching guys, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And after this, gonna remask everything. Let's do the whole job, painting job. Oh no! Woo! I'm excited to finish the job. Right on. Alright guys, it's ready for spraying the bed liner. So there's a bed liner in this already. Actually this bed liner looks like too rough for me, so I'm gonna top coat it with the bed liner, another bed liner, so they will gonna go until here on the sidings, and it's more looking nice when it goes up to here. And I'm gonna top coat it after I've dried, top coat the base, and I'm gonna clear coat it after. All right, just a little bit coatings for the bed liner, because here is coated already. That's the old bed liner, it's very solid. So ready.